In this video, I'm going to show you how to change color in Adobe Fresco. So if you simply want to change the color you're using to paint or draw or whatever, you could either select a brush and go and click on the color up top to open the color chip. And then in here, you can of course select it from this color wheel over here. Make sure you actually extend the color wheel, and then you can pick whichever color you want in here on the color wheel, and then in here in this rectangle in the middle, and it's going to get applied onto your brush, and you can go ahead and use that color for painting, drawing, or whatever. The same thing is going to be done by clicking down here bottom left. It's going to open the color chip, or of course you can also press F6 on your keyboard and it's going to open it up as well, and you can change your colors that way. But if you want to change the color inside a drawing or something like this, so for example, if I want to make this green nose, for example, let's just say maybe like blue or something like that, you could do that very simply as well. You could just go and override with a brush. So I used watercolor over here. I'm going to go and pick this brush, which is going to be the pixel brush, and I'm just going to use something different like a basic brush and the hard round over here. And then what you can do is enable this paint inside setting. So whenever you do this, you want to pick your color, and then you can just go and try drawing, and as you can see, you've successfully changed the color of that specific part. You could also use this fill tool over here, and you can go and change it. For example, if I use the fill tool, as you can see, I can do that as well, but it's not as precise as if you actually do it manually while using this feature to paint inside the lines. As you can see, I can be much more accurate if I'm actually using that. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. That's how to change color. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.